Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Tech That Doesn't Bite. In today's episode, we're going to take a look at two new features that are in iOS 14.5. Unlocking your iPhone while wearing a mask using your Apple Watch, and also the Apple TV color balance feature. I had a chance to play around with it, and I'm going to show you what's it like to use those features. So here's my iPhone and my Apple Watch. I just put on my Apple Watch for the first time, and I want to see, does it automatically lock it the first time you wear your watch, like a brand new day. And as you first see, it doesn't do anything. It doesn't let you unlock your phone without entering your passcode. So I had to enter my passcode first if I just first put on my Apple Watch. So I enter my passcode and we're gonna try it again, and it automatically unlocks the phone. So you have to input your code first if you're first wearing your watch the first time. And now I'm just playing around with the unlocking feature, and it does work well, and I've tested it, different types of scenarios. Now when I press on lock iPhone, let's see if I'm able to unlock the iPhone without entering the passcode. So now you can. When I press lock on iPhone, it's going to ask you to input your passcode. So now I'm going to input my passcode. And once I enter my passcode, I'm able to unlock my phone with my Apple Watch. And I also noticed that you have to have, the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth has to be turned on. I only have Bluetooth enabled, and it asked me to turn on Wi-Fi to unlock my iPhone with the Apple Watch. Next up is the Apple TV color balance feature. So here is the Apple TV color balance feature, and I'm using the 2017 Apple TV 4K. And immediately when my phone sees the color balance feature, I could just tap OK and start the color balance. Make sure you have Bluetooth enabled. When I didn't have Bluetooth turned on my phone, my Apple TV does not detect it. So make sure you have Bluetooth enabled on your phone. So you see right here now, you're gonna have to follow those directions on your left, and then it's gonna ask you to put, the phone kind of close to the Face ID, using the Face ID, and put it close to your television. And it took me a while to kind of figure it out which point exactly would recognize my iPhone. So you see right here, I'm kind of struggling a little bit. It's gonna take me a little bit, but what I noticed, I kind of put it too far away. I thought putting it further away the Apple TV will see it, but that's not the case. And what I did was I put it much closer, and now I can see that it's doing the color balance. So it's gonna start changing the colors and it's doing the balancing. And as you see on the left, it's saying measuring. And once you see it, the color balance is complete, and then you'll let you see the results. So I'm gonna show you the result. You see right there, it says complete. And let's take a look at the result. So for my television, it didn't really look much different, to be honest. It looks kind of the same, to be honest. I mean, it made my image a little bit brighter, but I couldn't really tell a difference between the original and the balanced version of what the Apple TV did. So I pretty much think it's going to be, your miles may vary depending on your television. So this feature didn't really work for me. Maybe I'm using it wrong. I don't know. I'm going to definitely look into it to see what else I can figure out. But in terms of the Apple TV color balance feature, didn't really work well for me. What do you guys think of these two brand new functionalities? Did you have any issues with them? Did it work well for you? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and the subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that bell notification so you get notified of new episodes. And check out some of the other videos that we've been making. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.